Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to log out WhatsApp from laptop. To log out if we are on WhatsApp web, we will do the following. We will click on the three upper points and then we will see the option to log out. After that, the session will be closed. If what we are using is the WhatsApp application, to log out, we will have to click on the settings icon. Afterwards, we will see the logout option with which we can exit the current session. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.